Alright, so today we're changing out our shift knob on a shift lever, and I picked this up on Amazon. And it's titanium in color. It's definitely not titanium. It's feels pretty heavy. And it looks good. It's smaller than the one we're replacing, and I think it'll look and feel a lot nicer. Alright, so here's the one that we're replacing. When we purchased this Jeep, this is what it came with: pool ball, and it's a purple Jeep, purple ball. I don't like how it rotates, and trying to teach the kids how to shift, it's just an extra step. So it looks like there's a couple set screws, Allen key set screws. Looks like 3 of them. Yeah, 3. So we've got SAE and metric, and we'll pop that off and pop the new one on. Okay, it turned out to be 3 30-seconds, and probably don't need to come all the way out. Hopefully the threads aren't damaged underneath this collar. Once we pulled all the set screws out, and they didn't have to come all the way out, this just pulls right off, and there's a rubber bushing under here. So it's just fits in with tension. So clean that off, and then we'll go grab the new one. And there's the old one. So the jam nut just spins on. See, it'll probably bottom out, and then we'll spin this on until it stops, and then we'll tighten the jam nut up against it so it doesn't move. Okay. I'm going to line up our numbers. It's hard to do, you need 2 hands, but I'm going to hold it and then tighten this. Get it nice and tight. Okay, here we have it. So it's installed. From the driver's perspective, it looks good. Sun's hitting it kind of funky right now, but yep. Looks good. Feels good in the hand. It's the right size. And the jam nut looks good. Probably could paint it black, but you really can't see it when you're driving or sitting in the passenger seat, only when you're down here. So that's it. Step 1, check.